can see here, this view should look familiar to you, where we have our org chart in sort of this standard structure. And we've added one additional feature here as well, which is the ability to toggle between this org chart view and the tax chart as well. So from using this switcher, I'm able to select tax chart. And now I can see the exact same entities, this time with their tax election statuses visible according to the shapes that are standard practice. Just like on the other chart, you can hover on these, you can see key persons, or if there's bank accounts associated with this particular entity, like there is for Project Co, we can see the bank accounts listed as well. And of course, you can click into any one of these entities through this tax chart, just like you can through the org chart. Similarly, you can also export the tax chart. So just like you have the ability to export the org chart, we can also export the tax chart as a PNG or as a PDF. And this will export an image or a PDF of the tax chart with all of the relevant shapes according to their tax elections. So that's one feature. And the next thing I want to show you is now when you come into an entity, I'll select Top Co, we've added a button in the top right corner called Export. And there's a few options in here. You can see we have Export Entity Report, Export Business Information, Ownership, and Key Persons. And what this does is it allows you to export the report from any one of these tabs individually, or if you select the top option, which is Export Entity Report, this will consolidate all of those information exports into a single PDF file so that the information is in one place. You don't have to combine those after the fact, and it makes it a lot more seamless. So once that's exported, it'll download. You can just see it just went to my downloads folder. I can open this report, and we can see here we have our entity overview report. This time we have our general business information that we have filled in for this entity. So the name, the incorporation country, fiscal year end, things of that nature, Delaware state file numbers or other relevant business IDs for whatever the entity type may be. We have our same ownership and UBO report that we showed last week. And then we also have our key persons information here as well, where we can see all the key persons associated with this account. George Washington, Benjamin Franklin, James Madison, et cetera, as well as the roles that are associated with those key persons, whether that's president, vice president, director, and so on. Thanks again for your feedback, and please let us know if you have any other requests